Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to clear the Snapchat conversation on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open the Snapchat on your device. After opening, on the top left side corner you can get the profile icon. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. On the top right side corner you can get one settings gear icon. Just tap on it. Okay, and here guys, just scroll down. Here you can get the option clear conversation in the privacy section. Just tap on it, and here you can get the details of your conversation of your friends. As you can see, if you want to clear the conversation of any of your friends, just tap on the wrong arrow mark like this, and here guys, just tap on clear option. That's it. So if you want to clear all, just tap on this all wrong arrow mark like this. So from here you can easily able to clear the conversation of your Snapchat. So that's it for today guys. Is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys, don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.